Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are using color dynamic to create energetic paint style strokes. Start by selecting a soft round brush for the brush panel. Open the brush setting window and locate color dynamic. Turn it on to the active dynamic color transitions and also increase hue jitter to introduce shifting color as brush moves. Add saturation jitter for extra vibrancy in strokes. Now raise brightness jitter to simulate highlight and shadows. Adjust purity to refine color richness and intensity. Begin painting on blank layer to test the behavior. You will notice every stroke looks unique, full and full of motion. Use lower values for subtle